Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. My name is Professor Dr. Rizwan Jamil Qureshi. The topic of today's lecture is about dynamic HTML. Dynamic HTML is composed of CSS and scripting languages like JavaScript, Visual Basic Script. ASP is one of the scripting language and it is active server pages. ASP stands for active server pages. Its extension is .asp. Most of the e-commerce applications are developed using ASP. It contains HTML tags and scripting code. Script is defined as Internet Programming Language code embedded inside the HTML tags. The code could be Visual Basic Script, VB Script, or JScript or JavaScript. These pages are processed by an ActiveX component called a scripting engine. Microsoft version of JavaScript is called JScript. JavaScript was originally created by Netscape, and JavaScript is the most widely used client-side script. So we have client-side script and we have server-side script. Both J and JavaScript have been standardized by European Computer Manufacturing Association (ECMA) as ECMA script. Advantages of ASP: it's very easy to learn. The modification of code is also very easy. Execution of ASP code is very fast. ASP can be connected to database. It has server-side script through ODBC, Open Database Connectivity Linkage. ASP has the ability to use ActiveX components that makes it dynamic for the development of web pages. JavaScript uses notations that may appear strange to non-programmers, like script language is equal to JavaScript, document.writeLine center, document.writeLine h1. This is our first JavaScript page, and we close the script tag. Welcome to JavaScript.html. The first exercise, we have HTML head, script language is equal to JavaScript, document.writeLine center, document.writeLine h1, header. This is our first JavaScript page. We close the script. This is the execution of welcome JavaScript.html. HTML head, script language is equal to JavaScript, document.writeLine center, document.writeLine. This is our first JavaScript page. We close the script body and HTML. This is our first JavaScript page. The execution of JavaScript.html. Document.writeLine. This is our first JavaScript page. The header instructs the browser's JavaScript interpreter to perform an action to display the string of character contained between the double quotation marks, the double quotes. Document object allows the script programmer to specify HTML text to be displayed in the HTML document. The browser contains a complete set of objects that allows the script programmers to specify HTML text to be displayed as HTML document. An object resides in the computer's memory and contains information used by the script. The term object means a combination of data and processes. Object methods use the attributes to provide useful services to the client of the object. H1, this is our first JavaScript page, is called a statement. Every JavaScript statement should end with a semicolon within the script tags. It is sometimes useful to display information in a dialog. So we can have dialogue using the JavaScript on the screen to grab the user attention, like pop-up messages, alert messages. The dialog boxes are used to display important messages to the user. JavaScript easily allows you to display dialog box containing a message. Script language is equal to JavaScript. Window.alert. Welcome to JavaScript page, and we close the script. Alert.html. Welcome to JavaScript page. Click refresh to run the script again. Window.alert. Welcome to JavaScript page uses the browser's window object to display an alert dialog box. The method alert of the window object requires as its argument the string to display. Arithmetic operators. JavaScript use addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, mod. The priority in which arithmetic operators operate, we deal with the brackets, like the rule of mathematics. Second, multiply, divide, average, the percentage. Third, plus or minus. Let's do an exercise to add two numbers using JavaScript. To declare variables, we are using var, first number, second number, number 1, number 2, num1, num2. To take input of the two numbers, First number is equal to window.prompt, enter first integer. Second number window.prompt, enter second number or second integer. To convert string into integer, number 1 is equal to parse int first number, number 2 is equal to parse int second number, sum is equal to num1 plus num2. To display document.writeLine, the sum of two numbers is concatenation character sum variable and the concatenation. Script language is equal to JavaScript, variable first number, second number, number 1, number 2, sum. First number is equal to window.prompt, second number is equal to window.prompt, enter second integer. Number 1 is equal to parse int first number, number 2 is equal to parse int second number, sum is equal to number 1 plus number 2, document.writeLine. The sum of two numbers is sum. We close the script. Enter first number, enter second number. The sum of two numbers is 11. JavaScript use relational operators equal, not equal, greater than, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to. Grade.html, variable first number, second number. First number is equal to window.prompt, enter first number. Second number window.prompt, enter second number. First number is equal to parse int first number, second number is equal to parse int second number. If first number equals second number, document.writeLine, the first number is equal to second number. If first number is not equal to second number, document.writeLine, first number is not equal to second number. Document.writeLine, the first number is greater than the second number. If first number less than second number, the first number is less than the second number. Enter first number, enter second number. So I have 5, 6. The first number is not equal to second number, first number is less than second number. Grade.html, a program to compare a value with a grade equals 65. If grade enter is greater than 65, then display that grade is greater than 65. If grade enter is less than 65, then display that grade is less than 65. If grade greater than equals 65, document.writeLine, the grade is greater than 65. If grade less than 65, document.writeLine, the grade is less than 65. For example, I enter 95, the grade 95 is greater than 65. JavaScript loop requirements, name of control variable, initial value of the control variable, increment or decrement, the condition that tests the final value to determine whether looping should continue or not, initialize, while condition, the statement increment, the condition is put at the top, for loop, for initialization, condition increment, statement, the do while loop, do loop is open and statement increment while condition. For example, we want to take print out the values from 1 to 10, we will declare a variable count, we will initialize it with 1, we will put a condition to terminate the loop. Script language is equal to JavaScript, variable count, count is equal to 0, while count less than equal 9, increment count, document.writeLine, increment count, document.writeLine break. We close the script. 1, 2, 3 to 10. The count is there. We want to add values from 1 to 10. Variable count, variable sum is equal to 0, count is equal to 0, while count less than equal 9, increment count, sum is equal to sum plus count, document.writeLine plus sum, document.writeLine break. We close the script. Addition of the numbers from 1 to 10. JavaScript do while example to calculate every grade of the students based on the user input using JavaScript loop. Script language is equal to JavaScript, variable grade, counter, total, average. Counter is equal to 0, total is equal to 0, do while loop is used. Grade is equal to window.prompt, enter value, grade is equal to parse it, grade, total is equal to total plus grade, counter is equal to counter plus 1, while grade is not equal to -1, total is equal to total plus 1, counter is equal to counter minus 1, average is equal to total divided by counter, document.writeLine, the average is concatenation, the average variable. We close the script. 95 is the first number, first subject marks, 85 second subject marks, and I put -1, the average is 90. Thank you very much. Jazakallah khair. May Allah bless you. Assalamu alaikum.